Hi everyone. Today we will learn about a TALLYPRIME. TALLYPRIME is a software. It's an accounting software where the inventory management software and accounting software. It is also useful for small businesses, medium-sized businesses, or various other businesses can use TALLYPRIME for their businesses. Through TALLYPRIME, we can use tax management, reconciliation, GST reconciliation, bank reco, and other also data backup also available on the TALLYPRIME. And also there is a backup options available. What are the key features of TALLYPRIME? Key features are for TALLYPRIME is the invoicing and billing management. We can do easily invoicing through TALLYPRIME, which is very easy to use, like sale invoice, purchase invoice, uh, rejection in, rejection out, sales order process, purchase order process. This all we can do by TALLYPRIME only. Inventory management by through TALLYPRIME we can do inventory management also. Means in there are organization there are multiple inventories, means stock. We can do in simple language we can say stock. So by TALLYPRIME we can easily manage this inventory, that where it is kept and how what are the measurement of the that boxes. By this TALLYPRIME we can easily manage this inventory. Payroll management. Payroll management is a salary slip we can say, who which is used for HR, and they are paying to their employees every monthly salary slips. That also we can do by TALLYPRIME. Tax compliance management. Tax compliance means we can do there are multiple taxes like TDS, GST reconciliation, that this all taxes we can manage by TALLYPRIME. Bank reconciliation. There is a bank reconciliation means we need to match our books uh, balance and as per bank statement also, that we need to match with the our books, that we call bank reconciliation. Data and security backup options. What is data and security backup options? Data is nowadays it's very much important to everyone. We need to keep our data safe and secure that we need to take everyday backup to whatever work we had done, that we need to do every day backup so that we can keep our data whenever we require. It's easy to use. Like TALLYPRIME is a user-friendly interface that requires minimal training. Means in TALLYPRIME is very easy software we can use by as per our customization and whatever as per our requirement, that we can customize also in TALLYPRIME. Is means there are many features which is not useful for our organization, but we can do customization in TALLYPRIME software as per our requirement. Also we can create there is a shortcut keys. Hotkey are widely used and easy accessible. Shortcut key are very easy and fast working. We can do time saving also by using a shortcut key. We can do work very fast and easy. In starting we can have some difficulties, but as soon as we are used to do this tally software, it will be very easy to use, and it's very whoever can use, even non-accounting background can use TALLYPRIME. TALLYPRIME also available in multiple languages. These languages are there are three more languages in TALLYPRIME which is available, which is Hindi, English, and Arabic. These features are enable businesses to streamline their options and their preferred languages. The organization can use the Tally as per the requirement. It also easy for them to communicate and collaboration easier for multilingual terms. Compatibility. TALLYPRIME is a compatibility with various operating systems, like TALLYPRIME we can use in Windows, Linux, and MacBook also. It is very easy, which where we can use in any system. It offers integration with other businesses software such as Microsoft Excel and QuickBooks. There is an integration also while through Excel we can also manage tally primes, means there are multiple entries we can manage in Excel, then we can do export in tally. So there is a that features also available. Teleprime has a mobile app that allow for remote access and management. The mobile application is also available to see and for remote access. Like what is remote access means whoever using the mobile app, they can use or see the data of the whatever in organization is the data company data is filled up in the Teleprime in tele software, that we can use and watch that anytime or anywhen if someone senior person outside the company and he or she wanted to check the data of that of our commercial purpose, then he or she can use a remote access. Now it's a pricing and plans. Telegram offer a free trial. There are various pricing plans available depending on the need of the businesses. In Teleprime, there is a multiple plans available, silver, gold, and as per for CA purpose also. There is a multiple plans. For basic means whoever is a startup or just wanted to start up or maintain their accounting in this Teleprime, they can use a basic plan. Whoever is higher some middle of the business we can say that you can use even in the basic plan also, but there are some more features with the they can use gold. And if other than if any CA wanted to use this Teleprime, then there is also available for CA purpose also. Teleprime pricings are also very compatible with other software accounting. Means there are multiple softwares available for accounting nowadays, but Teleprime is a very useful and very cheap rate we can say. Data security. The Teleprime offer multiple data security measures such as user level access control or password protection. In Teleprime, there is also data control or password protected. If senior person wanted to access that tally data, they can use uh, data ID and password. They can use that by own, or he or she can give anyone to that junior person, or even can hire that senior person to use that ID or password and use that for access the data. It encrypts all data transmission and provides to secure a backup and restore option. It encrypt data. If अगर अपना data encrypt हो जाता है, then Teleprime backup is that is very much important is in this stage. If we taking a backup every day or every alternate days or every week, it it allow us to secure our data. And whenever some of the reason if there might be encrypted data, then telebackup data will help us to recover our data. Telegram has a unique digital signature feature and secure authenticate financial accounting transaction. It means Telegram in that also digital signature features also available, that we can uh, to secure the data and authenticate financial statement. Customer support. Telegram also help give customer support to their customers by 24/7 through email, chat, or phone support. Teleprime website also has various resources. Means in telehelp, we will found every whatever the questions or queries in Teleprime help telehelp section. We can find all solutions. It also has an active community forum user and share discuss tips, issue, and solution. In Teleprime also there is a community forum where we can use when user can share their any issues, any tips, or any query if they are facing. So there are multiple many more features are available which we can learn in the live section when we will start our live sessions. Thank you.